Hello viewers, this is Team Vortex from India. And this is our project Mediease. There are two primary goals for this project. Integrating Gemini API with our webpage using Flask module. And second, creating multiple webpages with various transition effects with CSS. Let's look into the AI webpage. As you can see that the AI won't support any other irrelevant questions as the prompt is split into words and passed through a words of list to check whether the prompt is relevant or not. Next, here comes the homepage of our webpage, where we have listed our project goals and key features along with login and sign up buttons for user account creation. Coming to cycling page, where we have listed the advantage of cycling and also some animations. Along with that, we have used Mediease as iframe for weather forecasting to check whether the climate is ideal for cycling or not. In this webpage, you can check your body mass index by entering information like age, gender, height, and weight. The BMI is calculated with the help of JavaScript, and the output is shown on this webpage. At last, this is the page for contacting us, where we have given our social media handles. This was our project, and this is our team, signing off.